Cloud is two parts. One is that historically we used to have servers that sit in a data center, and typically a company data center, so what we call an on-premise data center. What's basically happening is now that we're actually moving and buying that infrastructure, and we own it and we managed it as an enterprise. What's typically happening now is that we're consuming that from other third parties. So we're either buying that from AWS or Microsoft Azure or IBM or others. And they do that for a number of customers. So it's on a larger scale, it's far faster, far bigger, far more highly available than what we had historically. So the physical servers that we used to have are now in the cloud, but they are still physical servers, but held by large, different organizations rather than ourselves. So that's one big part of what cloud is that we no longer manage our own infrastructure. The second part is that a lot of these cloud organizations have built technologies and capabilities which can be exploited and have new technologies that can be exploited. So for example, they have image recognition technology. Historically, we would have had to build that ourselves. Now we can just leverage what they already have and adapt it to our needs, of course, but we can take that off the shelf. And that's the other big aspect of that. We are no longer having to manage the responsibility of the setup, the maintenance of our infrastructure in the same way that we had to in the past, and that we can leverage new technologies into our business process. Not all technology that we have today and all systems and processes can sit in the cloud today, and may change over time. But for a couple of reasons: one, for regulation and data compliance and data residency laws, not everything can go in the cloud, firstly. Second is that not all technologies are cloud ready today. So we'll progress over time, yes, and I think more and more will move there, but not everything is suitable today.